That is majestic, baby.
What's going on, guys? We are here at US 131 for Streetcar Takeover Michigan. This is actually the first time I've been to a Streetcar Takeover event. I had Klaus cleared by the owners of the event. They said yes, he classifies as a streetcar. You're allowed to be in all the classes. A couple of the classes I got to run street tires, and then a couple classes I can run the drag slicks. So we are in the stick shift drag racing class. We're in the roll racing class, which is today and right now. We're in a daily driver class, and then we're in a 10-0 index class, which is something we can run slower. Maybe Mike can do it, because we got Mike with Motorhead Garage Productions right here. Might let him race, who knows? It is a constant 40-mile-per-hour winds. It's like sunny, but we're losing the booth. We got like 500 pounds tied down on it. It's absolutely crazy. So yesterday we went to Accelerate Performance, got off the dyno. We made around 900-ish horsepower on our lowest setting. We turned everything way down to keep it safe. So everything's running pretty good. I'm gonna get suited and booted, and we're gonna get in the staging lanes for some practice roll racing, and then I think it's actually practice and qualifying in one. We get 3 rounds. It's gonna split you up into 3 classes. There's like, you know, small, slow guys, medium guys, super fast guys. There's like 2,000 horsepower Lambos here and GTRs. I don't wanna be in their class. They're a lot faster than me. So let's get to it.
Carl's up against some steep competition in this. We'll see what class he winds up in. But there are some heavy hitters out here for sure. All right, first round of qualifying didn't go too well. Car was breaking up pretty bad down near the end of the track. I think he only trapped 88 miles an hour on that run.
What did I tell you? 88 miles per hour!
Which we know clauses do for well more than that. So let's see what went wrong with it here. What happened?
So same thing that happened on the dyno yesterday. We flashed a new tune, and I'm losing the advanced table, which the advanced table in the tune is my ethanol sensor and 2-step. So the ethanol sensor picks up how much ethanol is in the fuel tank and adds way more fuel. So that pass right there, once the car got into boost, it started misfiring, breaking up because it was going lean because it needs over 30% more fuel. And we just tried to fix it. Don sent me the tune, and the file's not staying in there. So now I have to do the tuning myself, keep all the programs turned on, don't exit out of them, flash the tune, and we'll see what happens. But I hope we didn't go lean enough to where we burnt up a spark plug, because then I had to change spark plugs.
Are you qualified to do that type of tuning?
Yeah, I watched YouTube.
We're going up against the Supra. All right, we made it through qualifying.
Yep. Made it through road racing qualifying. I am in the second fastest class, and so that is 135 to 145 miles per hour. And I qualified with a 137. That's us running on Racegate. We've been fighting tuning issues and software issues, but I think we're good now. We're still going to keep running it on Wastegate. So these lanes 1 and 2 is Wild Street. That's our class that we're in. I got first round up against a Tesla Plaid. You guys know those are really, really fast. So it might be an easy, we get to hang out for a little bit, but no, we're gonna win it all, right?
That's it.
Let's
We're moving on. We're moving on.
All right, let's get suited and booted.
I'd say we do a little walk around Tesla, but
Oh yeah,
there's the Tesla.
it's a Tesla.
So. You're not allowed to lose to an electric car.
Tesla just quietly doing what it does. Goes 138.29 miles per hour.
All right, that was actually a really good run. That Tesla Plaid did get us. He did 138 miles per hour. We did 137 miles per hour. So like by 1.2 miles per hour, he got us, just barely there. I tried to turned on the CO2 bottle to add boost, and then hit the scramble button. No boost got added. So that was still wastegate. And so we missed like 100 and some horsepower.
That was the boost you needed.
Yeah, that was the boost we needed. So now just go through the logs, test all the buttons, go through everything and see why it's not working. But you gotta think, just yesterday we got off the dyno, so.
Yeah.
Per usual, we're not ready for events.
Yeah. And we replaced the belt right before that run.
Yeah.
And what do we got? 3 more classes to run? So
Yeah.
Still 3 more chances?
Yeah, there's a lot to do.
Yeah.
We'll keep going, let's get to it. It's time for Street Racer. So this class right here is supposed to be literally street cars. They inspect your car to make sure it's a street car. You have to run street tires. So you guys know these are the tires, the Nittos that we do burnouts on around town and have fun. Do some drifting. So we got to stick with these tires. It's just literally like if you ran up as a street car. So it's qualifying tonight. The finals will be tomorrow. So the rest of tonight's just a couple qualifying rounds, some practices. I'm gonna see if we can scumbag our way in to have Michael as a passenger or even drive the car. We'll see how that goes.
That makes me nervous.
We might have to ask for forgiveness. Can we do that? The announcer loves us, Cliff.
Yeah.
He's really loving us.
I think they're gonna see me though, or you.
Hide. We'll take the stuffing out of the bear.
I'll wear the
And then-
bear suit.
Yeah, there we
Now
go.
we're thinking. So, what qualifies this as a street car? Because it doesn't really look like a street car to me, Carl. Do you actually drive this on the street?
Yeah, according to Colt Tompkins with that little yellow Mustang, he says this is a pro mod car.
The one that listens to that banana song when he does burnouts?
The banana songs, oh yeah, that's right. He's a little fruity, but we love him. We do not judge here. We are here. We are.
Yes.
No, street car. He's tagged, registered, insured. All lights work. We drive him around. You guys know.
We're here and we're ready to do the street car class.
So we're gonna get up there, do some drag racing. Hopefully not break anything.
From a dig this time.
From
too.
a dig.
Let's go. 1.7. Carl things. This man needs to invest in a belt company. Anybody want to sponsor him? He needs 1,000 of these per event. What happened?
I got nothing.
They just died?
No, I don't have there's broken drive shaft, a diff, an axle.
I didn't see any fluid. How's that one bolt?
I think the diff just popped.
Really? How many years do you say that thing lasted?
So put your hands together for Carl down there with Play My Head Motorsports and check over you and I. It's cool. It's cool on the other side of the pillow.
God damn it.
That was a good launch though. The push of shame for Carl. So he's thinking it might be a diff issue, but we'll get it back in the pits and we'll take a look at it. That is majestic, baby.
Race car things.
Why is she on jack stands?
So what had happened was, you guys saw, I was going really fast, and I wasn't going.
Yeah, really fast, really slow, really quick.
At first I thought it was clutch or transmission or something else. But then we put it in gear, the drive shaft was spinning, the wheels weren't spinning. So if you look right now, oh, brakes are locked. So if I spin the tire right now, the drive shaft should be spinning. That drive shaft, no spinning. Ah! That tire's not spinning either.
Oh God.
Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. That differential has to be really exploded. So, for the fun of it, we're gonna pull it off, see what kind of damage is in there right now. I don't have a spare diff. This thing has been 4 years of 1,500 horsepower, and it was like 100 and some thousand miles before I got it. I say it doesn't owe me anything, so we're gonna get another used one, put it in, see how it goes, but if it breaks really soon, maybe we're just making too much power and torque right now, and
Time to upgrade maybe?
yeah, we'll have to look into something else, but hey, now we can have some food, relax a little bit, see what it looks like in there.
Yeah. Stay tuned for the carnage.
The carnage! Let's look in here. Why isn't there like damage? So, we figured out what actually broke. You can see nothing looks terrible in the diff. You can see tire is not moving the differential, but if you grab the drive shaft, it spins. So what that means, the drive shaft, outside drive shaft flanges, those are snapped. So those things. So somewhere on this outside cup to the splines on the inside, they grenaded themselves.
They go boom?
Yes, but now the problem is when you weld the diff, you're not getting those out, I think. Fun stuff. Build a race car, they said.
To be continued.
Yep. All right, guys, it is the end of the event. We did take home a trophy, though, for this weekend. Not the trophies we wanted, but I'm still okay with it. It's a trophy. We got top 10 in the car show. There was a bunch of cars here. I don't believe they had any classes. They just started handing out top 10 trophies. They might have had overall. I don't know. But 10 of us got trophies, so that's pretty awesome. We were in the street racer class, the stick shift class, the 10-0 class. What other class was we in?
Stick shift 10-0.
Street racer and something else. I don't even know. We were we were in 4 classes. Of course, the car broke during qualifying. We couldn't. So what it looks like is the axle stubs. They're part of the diff. They're what the axles bolt down into. Those sheared off. It's not a big thing. It would be an easy fix if the diff wasn't welded. So I don't know if I can get them out. But anyways, I'm looking for used ones. If you got a used 210mm diff, let me know. Otherwise, it was a pretty good event. We got to watch some racing, sold a bunch of merch. Mike, did you have fun?
I had a good time.
It was a pretty good time. I like it. But anyways.
I wish we would have gotten some more racing in, but
yeah,
you
really
know,
wish.
whether or not Klaus is moving, he's still competing.
We should have been racing like nonstop, but
yeah.
Whatever. It was fun. I'm feeling sprinkles. 2 of us gotta load this whole merch booth together.
Yeah, that'll be a good time.
So we gotta hurry. We gotta get it done. We'll see you guys on the next one. HiddenMotorsports.com. Get your merch. We just got the Frosty shirt. We'll see you in the next one. Balls are out.